We believe that to be able to fit conventional financial models into development and sustainability domain, there is need to integrate the characteristics of infrastructure, nature, and sustainability into the model build. Our concentration is on infrastructure and sustainability projects with the aim of invoking a paradigm shift from what is to what should be. Consequently, closing the infrastructure and sustainability gap that exists in the global south and other regions. This course is for those who need to build, review, and analyze project finance models. Typical learners include finance students, recent graduates, analysts, managers, senior managers, associate directors, financial advisors, financiers, and CFOs from project companies, investment banks, project equity, infrastructure funds, amongst others. You will need previous exposure to Excel spreadsheets, core modeling skills in project finance modeling contests. Our financial models are built and taught with fast standards. This standard is a set of rules providing guidance on the way models are structured and designed. We adopt the fast standard in building our models because it is the most widely adopted, independently administered financial model standard in use today. This course is broken down into different modules, including the following: construction cost, construction period, sources and use of funds, sources of funds, financing costs and fees during construction, interest during construction, opening balances from the construction model to the operation phase of the model, debt service cover ratio, loan life cover ratio, project life cover ratio, debt sculpting and debt sizing, blended equity rate of return, debt service reserve account, shareholders loan, revolving credit facilities, and model optimization. We have created an expert school that allows you to become an expert in project finance, which includes courses such as accounting fundamentals of project finance, core modeling skills, finance fundamentals of project finance, and legal fundamentals of project finance. All of these, when taken together, provide a comprehensive knowledge to financial modeling for project finance. They cover the core financial and accounting principles, as well as the specific legal and finance considerations that are unique to project finance. By completing the Project Finance Pathway School, learners will be equipped with the knowledge and skills they need to become proficient in financial modeling and analysis for project finance transactions. We are glad to have you join us in shaping the real world through project finance modeling. Thank you for choosing this course.